Hey, today everybody, I'm going to be talking about the forks that I have on my excavator. I picked these up from a company just west of Edmonton in Spruce Grove called T&T Attachments. The gentleman I dealt with there was Ty. He's phenomenal. We talked on the phone for a little bit and he needed some parts, so I brought up and he actually made this top piece in the time that it took me to go have lunch. I came back, loaded me up, and away I went. And I've had these for 2 years, and I have put them to the test, and he told me they could carry about 5,000 pounds per tine, I guess those are called. And so that, to me, that's 10,000 pounds. And I've been testing them, and today we're going to test them again. I've got about 6,500 pounds worth of bricks on the back of my truck, and we're going to take those off. Grab my coffee, and away I go. there we go. We got the pallets moved over. The forks can handle the whole thing. My machine can't. But it's just a little bit too much too heavy for the machine to lift, but the forks handled it no problem. We have probably about 7,000 pounds of interlocking brick there that'll be going into the greenhouse, and that's what all these windows are for. They came from a project. They're going to be turned into a greenhouse, and we'll show you that process. So before I got these forks, I had to do this by hand. That's exhausting, especially when it's so hot out. Now, just jump in the machine, throw the forks on, grab my material, and I can put this stuff anywhere I want, nice and easy. I can take it across the yard if I had to. Just removing the materials out of the way. And then my next step here is I'm going to run inside and move the dunnage. I came up with a nice little easy way to do this with some little dolly wheels and a pickaroon, and I drag them out of the way.